So let's talk about our XPIN coin, the fighter coin that we have. It's sitting at 0071 right now, and I'm saying fighter because it is holding really well above the area of support. 007 is our support area. We are only seeing the wicks below it, but each candle body is staying above it, and today actually did make an attempt by going a bit higher. It went up to the price of 0076. So the overall story about XPIN hasn't changed. It still holds the most bullish support that this coin has, which is 007. I mean, it can still stay bullish even if it goes down to 004. I have mentioned that in yesterday's video and the video before that as well. It doesn't mean that if it goes down to 004, this coin loses all kinds of hopes or anything. It still remains bullish. A 50% retracement, it is only natural. But the thing is that right now it is holding its most bullish case scenario, which is 007. So as long as this is intact, the probability of going up and hitting the 1 cent, which is 0.01, and losing one more zero is pretty high. The only thing that is missing in the market is the greenness or the greenery in the market. The rest of the market is red, so it is suffering because of that as well. But in consideration to how the rest of the market is performing, I think XPIN is doing really well. Today is 1st of November. It's Saturday. It's 5 a.m. So it's the start of a day. Generally, volume kind of disappears on weekend. But in my experience, when we have a shitty week, generally weekends they tend to be nicer. Even the volume is missing, so it is a bit harder of a stretch, but it is what it is. All kinds of news and events, they have happened unless we see Donald Trump coming out and saying something nasty. I don't expect anything crazy happening in the market to bring in volatility. And of course, everyone is shitting their pants and they're thinking market is going to go down. It's only in the crypto market. The rest of the markets are doing really well when we talk about Forex, stocks, commodities, gold, silver, whatever you touch upon, everything is fine. It is only crypto because everyone is under the fear that something is going to happen. Like today we saw the incident of Maxi. One person was not able to withdraw and he went and he made everybody else scared in the market about an exchange is because of one person's incident. Anyway, crap like this happens, but when it comes to projects like XPIN, throughout this overall case scenario of red market and fear and uncertainty and everything going around, I think XPIN is still doing a phenomenal job. As long as this continues, I think that we would expect XPIN to go up, and from here, like I have mentioned previously, 1 cent is the target. I would be expecting it to shoot up towards the area of 1 cent. Initially, when we started rallying with it, we have done really good job with it. We have done more than 100%, but still the possibility of doing 1 cent again is very likely. It can only turn into an unlikely case scenario if it loses the area of 007 for more than 2 days with 2 daily candles closing bodies below it. If we are not seeing the candle bodies below it, there is no bearish case scenario. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.